All you'll need is a small flathead screwdriver. Before any repairs, always unplug your appliance from the mains. The dispenser lid flap and spring is found here. With your flathead screwdriver, lift the lid flap up and out from the sides. Make sure to remove the old spring as well. Unpackage your new lid flap and spring. The short end of the spring is the end that connects to the new lid flap. The long end of the spring is what slots inside the dispenser in a second. Slide the long end of the spring into the small hole on the dispenser. And click the dispenser lid in place, as shown. Test to make sure it opens and closes correctly. And that's it! Your new dishwasher dispenser lid flap and spring is all set to go.